Hi guys, nk'uko mwabibonye twagiye muri vacation. Uyu ni uwundi munsi rero ndashaka kubereka aho twagiye. Nk'uko muri kubona ocean hirya, murabona ubururu. We are heading to the island. Hano turi kuri Bahia de Quino muri Mexico. Muri Mexique. Bahia de Quino niko hano hantu hitwa. Ni ahantu ni nko mu giturage ukuntu, ariko nyine hari ama plage gutya, ntago hatuwe n'abantu benshi. Urabona ni imisozi n'abantu bahari ni imbarwa, ni nko muri Afrika nyine mu giturage, ariko muri Afrika icyo haharusha nuko hari abantu, population nyine. Hano hari abantu bakeya, urabona hari imisozi, ariko hirya turimo turamanuka. Iyo turi muri vacation rero cyangwa tutembereye, nkunda gufata ama video turi mu muhanda, ibarabara turi kugenda, nabikunda cyane, nerekana nature, nkerekana uburyo hateye. Urabona hano mazi turi kuyabona tukiri kure. Turamanutse tugiye kujya kuri island hirya ku misozi hirya, tujye gusura ahantu, tugere mu mazi nyine hirya. Ni ahantu abantu bari batuye. Nka hano tugiye kuhagera, umushoferi turi kumwe nyine cyangwa umuntu tujyanye muri tour udutembereza agenda atubwira utuntu tw'utudetaye, utuntu ati hano abari bahatuye, abasangwa butaka nyine baho bari bameze gute, imico yabo kera nyine, bakadutembereza. Noneho badutware no mu bwato atujyane iyo kure aho bakundaga kujya nyine kuri island. Rero niho tugiye. Ngiye guhagarika kuvugira hano. Mukore subscribe abatarayikora, mukore like, musharinge video, mukore ibishoboka byose nyine, mubwire n'abandi, munsigire comment kugira ngo mbone ko muhari, mubwire se murabibona mute. Murakoze cyane. Kandi n'abavuye ahandi kuri social media, ahandi nkoresha batasanzwe hano kuri YouTube, mujye muhita munyibwira menye ko mwaje, cyane cyane abavuye kuri TikTok. Okay, tugiye kuhagera rero, muhite mureba ibintu byose, amadetaye yose, uko batwakira, uko twambara, ama jacket atuma turemba hejuru y'amazi, umunyenga muri bote, byose aho biri ngombwa nkagenda mbashiramo ijwi kugira ngo mubisobanukirwe. Urabona bienvenido ni bienvenue cyangwa kaze mu Spanish. Ubwo naho ngaho tugiye. Reka mpagarikire hano mukomeze murebe. Murakoze.
They celebrate their New Year's Eve on June 30.
What?
Yeah, because it's different because they celebrate the nature. So they don't celebrate like us. They celebrate the nature at the end of June because it's when before that the first rain arrives. So the desert have like an explosion of life, and they celebrate the nature. They give thanks to the nature for another year of survival.
The rain.
Yeah. And these are the colors of their tribe. The white means like the peace and tranquility. The blue, it is the color of the sea and the sky and the nature in general. And the red is like the blood spilled by their warriors.
Oh, okay.
The warriors?
Warriors.
Uh-huh.
Or maybe who took over the land or something?
Yeah,
Abarwaniriye ubutaka bwabo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
who fought for them, their freedom?
Not exactly, but they have to fought against the Spaniards and then against the Mexican government.
Hey! My gosh, the Vaseline.
We put sunscreen on too. My sister.
Oh, you put sunscreen on?
My sister.
Woo, Tamara, your cheeks. Did you put some sunscreen? Okay.
My sister. My
Yeah, he's coming. Woo.
Mira, dos chiquitos, para ellas dos, tres para ellos, mira, 1, 2, 3, y uno para ella y uno para él. Dale. Ah, y uno para mí porque no encuentro mi chaleco. Ay.
Yeah. Ibyo se ni ibyi kugura byo wenda bya tugarutse. Debbie, put her down, please.
Come here,
This way, Shari. Maybe later. Which one? The colors? It's not 4th of July. It's not. It means something for.
elementary schools contract me, and I'm proud a lot
Today?
between 10 and 12.
That is gonna help you go.
I'm almost done.
You're almost
I
done.
just don't know which one. Look.
It's okay. Oh, that is going to adjust that.
Sí, necesito uno como este o como el azul. Oye, checa si no está el mismo, ¿tú te acuerdas cuál es? Es como esto, así de este material. Oye, hey, Laurita.
This is kind of big.
Tamara, you don't have a hair tie?
Okay, can you try this one, please? 2 lines? Yeah, 2 lines, please.
Maybe take a video for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can do it with my
Your
camera.
phone?
I
Okay.
have
Okay.
360, Insta 360.
Oh, okay.
Export.
Imuhereza afate fana.
3 years old.
4.
4.
Less than 4.
And the other
6.
6,
Yeah, and the boy is 9,
9,
10,
10,
11.
11. Okay. Yeah, sure.
Okay, everybody say hi to the video.
Hi.
Hi, Dani.
Hi.
Coming with us.
Are you gonna take a man?
Picture with this. A picture.
A picture?
Yeah,
Okay.
over here.
Okay. Oh,
You guys. Okay. Nafashwe mu mugozi hariya.
Please, go that side.
They stay on that side.
Your dad,
The two of us in this side.
yeah.
Bano babiri bari hariya nawe.
Yeah, because I am in this side.
Yeah. Say bye bye to this place, guys.
Bye bye.
I'm trying. You should stand on your hand.
Three of them. And there's another. No te les adelantes mucho, no te les adelantes mucho.
Noneho tugezeyo, ahangaha tugiye gusohoka mu bwato tujya mu mazi. Abana wabonaga already batangiye gutinya, ariko nyine twamaze kuza nta kindi twakora, n'ubundi ni mama ugomba kujya mu mazi bwa mbere. Na papa bari kugenda ariko yarimo afata Diza, ubona Diza na Damara batangiye guseta ibirenge. So here we are just going in the water, then tugendesha n'amaguru tugende hariya mu byatsi haranaberetse. Tugiye kugenda nyine urabona biri scary, ariko kubera ko yamaze kumanuka uno mupapa utujyanye yamaze kumanuka ari mu mazi. Ni video ndi kubasangiza niwe wayimfatiye, umva yo nanabimenya ari gufata yanjye ko Imana ishimwe nyine sinamwizeye nyine ngo ari gufata. Urabona iziwe zirabonerana ukuntu, kubera ko aka kamera kiwe nyine ni 360 karafata, ariko gafata kari no mu mazi. So nyine hajyaho n'amazi, ariko nanjye nari mfite akantu nambaye nyine phone nari kuyikoresha, ariko nyine kubera ni experience nshasha ntabwo twari tuzi ibintu tumwe turakora. Ubwo nyine telefone twazisize aho ngaho mu bwato. Damara yari yanze kugira ngo tumushyire mu mazi, yari yanze yagize ubwoba, kandi iyo wambaye hano ma veste nta kibazo nyine, gusa amazi kubera harimo agenda agana ahantu hamwe mbese yanagutwara. Ariko aho ngaho urabona ko turahagaze njye na Dani tufashe hariya nyine, ariko abaza kudukurura. Diza rwose byabaye byo kwinginga, yabayeho kurira, ariko byaje kurangira yinjiye aho ngaho. Desi narimo aragerageza ngo amushiremo, ariko yanze. N'ibiro bya Diza yanze nyine biba byanze. Ubwo turimo turareba uno muntu wundi uri mu bwato niwe uri busigaremo twese tumanuke noneho adusingirize Diza. Damara rero ubu papa we niwe umufite ariko agiye kwita amusingiriza uno mupapa uri gufata kamera waje kudutembereza kugira ngo abone uko akurura. Dore amazi arimo aratemba ari kugenda hirya, urabona ko Diza Damarado Diza yanze ni ugutereta. Damara nyine urabona ko hano papa we yahise amuhereza wa mupapa ngo amufate, turimo kubabwira nta kibazo. Hano rero twamaze kuyageramo ariko tubwira ibintu tuvuga kugira ngo nyine abanze atuturisha imitima, abana bamenyera amazi aho ngaho, twebwe bakuru Dani kuzamuka urabona twese turahagaze. Noneho buri wese ari kwivuga, turi kugenda twivuga, Damara arivuze, turimo turavuga wenda murabyumva inyuma. Dani ari kwivuga akavuga n'imyaka ye, Debbie akavuga n'imyaka ye nawe, Destiny nanjye murayumva aho ngaho na papa wacu, twese bose twari twishimye. Ubona nyine dutangiye kumenyera amazi. Damara urabona ndacyamufashe ariko nyine atangiye guseka no kwishima nyine. Twakoze selfie turyame murelakise, mbese murerembe hejuru y'amazi nta kibazo, kuko ari kugira ngo abanze atumenyereze mbere yo twinjiza hariya mu bihuru, ajya kutwereka nyine experience. Nicyo cyatuzanye nyine, nta kindi twakora, tugomba kubyakira ubwoba bugashira. Hano ko Diza hariya papa we bari kumutereta iriya ku ruhande amumenyereza. Dore amazi aho ngaho, amazi iyo ubonye atangiye gusa nabi ni ukuvuga ko munsi haba hari umucanga. So aho ngaho turahagaze rwose. Noneho hano agiye kutubwira ibyo dusubiramo tubisubiremo. Aho rero amagambo agiye kuvuga niyo tugiye gusubiramo. I am happy, I am strong, I'm alive. Tugahita tuvuza induru ati buri wese tugwa mu mazi ugarame. Ariko no kugira ngo nyine twumvishe mbese experience y'icyatuzanye.
Oh, let's go. Let's go to the shark mouth. Oh, no. I'm just kidding. There are no sharks here. Just crocodiles. No. Watch your head. Watch your head.
Oh, really?
Watch your head.
Stop pushing me, Debbie!
Look at the red crab there.
Whoa, no.
Oh no, but they are not inside here. Just in the trees.
Oh my gosh! I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Danny, seriously. Danny, stop. This is crazy.
Is Danny messing with you? Yes.
Danny is messing with Diza. You guys can watch on the side.
Yeah, I was saying that here at the island we don't have we have the opportunity to be near the nature without a lot of people, like in other places that there is a lot of tourism. Okay, and here we have 3 kinds of mangrove. That is the red one. This is the red one, the one with the biggest leaves. This is the white one, and the other is the black one, and we can see it. Now we are gonna see it out there. Okay, and here we are going to do like meditation in order to hear the nature. Okay, we are going to close our eyes. And we are going to be in silence. Okay? We're going to be silent. Okay? Just for 2-3 minutes. Just for 2-3
Think
minutes.
about God.
Okay? Yeah? You can think about God. You can think about.
It's a
The
list.
leaf of the.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay?
Be quiet. For
So
2 to
be
3
quiet.
minutes.
Okay.
Okay?
Be quiet. For
So
2 to
be
3
quiet
minutes
just for 2 to
and
3
relax.
minutes.
No one talks. Lisa,
No
okay?
one talks.
Unless
Okay?
he says to talk. Okay.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
Think about the God creator, guys.
Okay.
Grab one of your sisters
Hmm.
and
Thank you, Jesus, for dying on a cross.
hano rero twamaze kugira experience yatubwiye twafashe iminota yo guceceka nk'itatu kugira ngo tuveyo rero kubera amazi arimo aratembera iyo tuvuye kugira ngo usubire inyuma rero biragoye none uriya mugenzi we wari mu bwato niwe ahita azana umugozi akawohereza tugafata umugozi bakadukurura n'umugozi keretse umuntu uhamenyereye niwe wabona uko asubira kubera amazi aratugeraho mu gituza twebwe bakuru abana nabo Destiny na Debbie barimo bahagarara abandi bo tugafatana nyine noneho badukuruye batugarura hano rero reka nkoreshe amavideo nafatishije kamera yanjye urabona hano bamaze kudusubiza mu bwato asubira inyuma gatoya hano rero babadamu mwabonye munsi abakecuru mwabonye ngo munsi inyuma bahise baza igihe twebwe twarimo twinjoyinga biriya barimo bubaka itente hano kugira ngo ikingirize nyine itwikire nyine ahantu hari umucanga nituza ariho twegama twicare twaragarutse rero papa w'abana yari afite match ari burebe match finale ahita arakomeza arareba abana rero batangira kurya iminyenga bagendera muri utu tuntu tw'ubwato dutoya batwita kayak niko numvise abana bari kutwita Daniel afata avuga bose baratoranyije nyine buri wese akajya avuga ati nge ndaza gukoresha kandi ndaza gukoresha iki noneho hano uyu nguyu ahita afatisha ubwato sinzi uko babyita kubita hariya kugira ngo butagenda akazirika noneho abana batangiye kuza gutoranya izo kayatsi cyangwa amato yabo baza kujyamo noneho dutangire rero turya iminyenga nibyo cyatuzanye nyuma ya adventure cyangwa yo kwinjira hariya hateye ubwoba tukareba kwinjira mu bikoko hariya twagarutse rero kugira ngo dutangire kurya iminyenga rero ndaza kureka kuvuga murebe mwumve murebe ibyo bari barimo uburyo abantu tuzi gusunika twese tuzi gutwara ubwato reka mbareke mwumve umuntu arebe nyine mwumve n'amajwi Okay, you guys can try to go just a little bit. Danny, stop. Push it. Yeah. Okay. You have to walk as a team. Left. Did that? Right. Destiny, right. Oh. Danny, push that down. Right only. Okay, right. Hey, Destiny's gonna you have to go in the middle.
I don't like the kayaks.
Come, Damara.
these if you want to get in.
Oh, yes. But I'm just going to stay.
No, I'm gonna. No. Dito go.
I have a life jacket.
Danny, there's a fish next to you. Danny.
Why did you spot me?
I know. Like, Danny, seriously. Danny, there's a fish next to you. Danny.
Why did you spot me?
I know. Like, Danny, seriously. Sharita, if you want to go away. So far I walked on Danny and Daddy.
It worked on the knee.
It looks like a makeup pan. That's what she said a rock looked like. A makeup pan.
What is a pen? Makeup pen.
What's a makeup pan?
Oh,
Oh, that. Oh.
that's how you call it?
That's how you call it? A
Fix
makeup
your
pan.
earrings, please.
I'm fixing your earrings.
Hey, can't see. Where's the Mara? Oh,
In the front. Stand up.
oh, there's a fish! Run!
Tania Mugi.
noneho nyuma ya fan, nyuma y'ibihe byiza twagize hano turatashye, turimo turataha, abana bari banezerewe, bashonje, amasaha amaze kugera, bananiwe, papa udutwaye amavideo yiwe guys, inama nabagira nk'igiye ahantu, gerageza ufate amavideo yawe, ntiwizere abantu bagiye kukugira mwari kurira iyo experience tugize hano uburyo ukomeye ari so turatashe mu nzu yacu aho ducumbitse. Papa w'abana yahise adukorera akawunga, nanjye natetse indagara, isosi ya chicken nk'uko nabiberetse n'isombe, mbese ahita adusongera mu gihe abakobwa turimo turoza imisatsi, turi koga n'ibiki, ariko muri vacation akenshi usanga ari we utumenya nyine. Mu rugo nyine ndateka nkitegura ibintu byose, ariko iyo turi muri vacation nanjye ndabyinjoyinga rwose, niwe udutekera, niwe nyine biba biri aho, ariko akadushyushyiza n'iyo tugiye nko muri hoteli, akadukorera breakfast cyangwa akatudaringira, mbese nyine turateta vacation iyo minsi yose tugateta kugeza dutashe. So ni ibyo, mukore subscribe abatarayikora, musharinge, musige comment, tuzasubira mu kindi gice.